Today I'm going to be reviewing Ottocast MiniPot 2025. This thing is insane. I'd like to thank Ottocast for sending this to me to review. This makes all my troubles go away. When I've been using my Android Auto in our Palisade 2023, you have to connect through the wire. It's the stupidest thing. You can connect certain features through Wi-Fi, but you cannot use things like maps and all that. So they came up with this. I wasn't sure how easy this was. I literally took it out of the box, put it right there, plugged it in, took about a minute to pair it, and now I got full access on the screen here to maps, Waze, everything that I need that I didn't have access before. It has a 4.6 star rating, and I know there's been stability issues in the past with other companies, but I am just loving this. It does come with an adapter if you need one for in there, but for the Palisade 2023, this worked perfectly. I am excited. No more wires, everyone. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.